Hi everyone, Martin with Car Analysis here. Some of you are having difficulties installing the crystal volume button according to the instruction, where we advise to use pliers to remove the trim ring. So this does not seem to be a model year related or model related. It just varies from car to car. So anyway, we're going to show you an alternate way of installing the volume button. This time we're going to use one very small screwdriver, like a jewelry screwdriver, the same screwdriver as before, and a small piece of printer paper that we cut out. The printer paper is a little thicker than common paper. This one's 180 grams per square meter, and we're going to use that to protect the trim ring when we remove the OEM button. So as before, we aim at the L in volume. That's the place we want to work on. Insert the paper. Let's see, get it in here. Insert the corner of the paper there and until it stays in place. Now take the smallest screwdriver and wedge it in by the L, press it down. Okay, I slipped a little bit. Press it down and then we bend it up here. Okay, keep the paper in place. Change to the larger screwdriver, put it in the same place, and twist. There it went. If it doesn't come off right away, like it did here, you can move to the other side, the opposite, the L, this side, and do the same procedure from that side. So we didn't have to remove the trim ring. We have not damaged the trim ring because we protected it with the paper. And now it's just a matter of installing the crystal piece. We just line it up, press it down, and it's done. Hopefully either installation method will work for you and you will get your beautiful crystal button in your BMW.